Hey folks, Anthony Special here with Hawkeye Traders. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Before I jump into today's opportunity, of course, whatever we discuss is for information and educational purposes only. Please do not take anything as live trading advice or financial advice, as it is certainly not. Now, how would you have liked to make a triple on your investment to the downside by shorting GE? Now, everybody's heard of GE, General Electric, one of the oldest general electric companies in history. But the short opportunity was presented at 24.78, and this is before the price plummeted through and down to the $8 mark. Now look at how this transpired. This was a long-term short. This market just gave it up. This company just, over such a long period of time, it just continued to sell off and continued to sell off, and it was really, really a fantastic move. Now, going out on the scale of a weekly chart gives you that ability to take this and have it as a position trade. You're going to hold this for days to weeks to months to even years. As long as this continued to perform in the direction in which it did, there was really no reason to let up on it. So it was very clear that our indicators gave us this particular entry to short at 24.78, and like I said, the price of GE had gone under $8. So 3 times it had basically cut into a third of what your initial short entry point was. Now, if you didn't want to short the stock because you don't feel comfortable doing that, you could always buy put options. So your risk on a put is only the premium that you're paying to get into the put, to buy the option. So your downside is really limited to your risk of purchase. And with that, now you have a leveraged opportunity to take this short position, which could have been extraordinarily profitable. So I want to take a moment and share this with you, because this one, this really, really reacted very strongly to our indicators here that we produce at Hawkeye Traders. All volume precedes price action, and when your indicators are built around volume, this is the outcome that you get. Security is mostly a superstition. Life is either a daring adventure or nothing. What does that mean? Listen, infrequently we look, as humans, it's our nature to find security. Find security in our job, to find security in our spouse, to find security in our situation, in our home. We all want to know that we're secure. Now, that can be disrupted very quickly. And if the events that have transpired over the past year haven't brought that to your attention and made it very apparent, just take a moment, look back over the past 12 months, and you will see that whatever you thought was secure, clearly there are things that are beyond our power that create insecurity. So with that being said, as we evolve through our life, we really need to take it as an adventure. We need to be prepared to overcome the adversities, overcome the challenges, and enjoy the prosperous things, enjoy the happiness, enjoy the good times, and enjoy that stuff, because life is like a roller coaster ride. My dad told me that years ago when I was a kid. My mom loved actually going on roller coasters, and my dad was like, you know what? I own a business. My life's been a roller coaster. I've gone from poor to well to back to poor. He goes, I don't need to get on a roller coaster because I live a roller coaster. So with that, guys, take that in perspective for a minute and realize that life is an adventure. And that is something that we can never step back from and go, I don't want to do this anymore. We will continue as humans to evolve into being able to cope with things better as we experience more. That is part of maturing. That is part of growing as a human being. But to sit to the side and go, I'm just content in my little box and I don't want to do anything else because that's where I feel safe, the world doesn't work like that. And anybody who thinks it does will eventually find out that little box that they've sheltered themselves in becomes shattered. And I would prefer for you to realize that before the shattering comes, and just know that this is an adventure that we're going to live on. And every day is going to present adversity and opportunity, challenges and things that you have achieved. So with that, guys, embrace each day and live the adventure, because we're only here for a short time. And with that, if you're ready to adventure into the market, into the opportunities that are endless and constantly presented that I show you day in and day out, I encourage you to check out the Project V-Swarm webinar by clicking the link below. Watching the webinar, it'll give you example after example of just how we utilize volume, our proprietary indicators, to precede price action. And with that, we are able to consistently, find opportunities with high probability and low risk. Now, if you've already seen it and you'd like to learn more about us, check us out at HawkeyeTraders.com. Any questions, comments, or concerns, you can always reach out to us via email or give us a phone call at support. And with that, guys, I hope you're doing well, staying well. I hope you're healthy. I hope you're happy. And with that, I wish you a beautiful day, a blessed day, and a profitable day. And I look forward to talking to you tomorrow. Take care.